Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Ramanujan Academy YouTube channel. My name is Prashant Reddy. I am working as a arithmetic and reasoning faculty for 11 years for various competitive examinations. In this video, I am going to discuss with you regarding one beautiful notification which came from Staff Selection Commission. We know that on 1st August 2020 from SSC, we got a beautiful notification from Delhi Police Department. Around we are having 5,846 vacancies are there. So regarding this notification, we will discuss age limit, examination procedure and events process and everything we are going to see. Without skipping the video, watch the video till the end so that you will get the good information. Now let's get started. So total vacancies in this notification is 5,846. 5,846 vacancies are there from this notification. Okay, so all the citizens of India are eligible to apply for this notification, not only for Delhi students. Okay, but the minimum age limit for this is 18 years and maximum is for 25 years. Okay, but based on your reservation category, you have exemption also. This is applicable for general candidates. If you are from OBC candidate, then 3 years relaxation will be given, and if you are from SC, ST and ex-servicemen, and obviously 5 years relaxation also given. Okay, and so simply you have to pay just 100 rupees for this to apply for this notification. 100 rupees you have to pay. Okay, and if you are from if you are a female or SC, ST, ex-serviceman, you need not to pay any single rupee also. So really in this corona situation, so really it's a very beautiful notification because so many aspirants are eagerly waiting. So many notifications are stopped. According to calendar year, we have to get many notifications, right? Unfortunately, due to this corona situation, all the notifications are stopped, but fortunately this is, we can say, one of the beautiful notifications. If you want to get a uniform job, if you want to get a job in police department, then definitely you can aspire, definitely you can set a goal for this notification. So and figure also very good number, 5,846 vacancies are there. Okay, so now this is regarding age limit, and in the selection process we are having actually total 2 stages, first stage and second stage. First stage is simply written examination, right? So we have a written examination, and in second stage you have a physical events. Okay, so physical events. So first you have to qualify in written examination, then only you can eligible for physical events. Now we will see what are the concepts comes under physical examination, and later on what all the concepts are there in the physical events also we will see. So first we focus on written examination. In written examination, okay, you are having total 100 marks question paper is there, objective type 100 marks paper is there, and this is there for only 90 minutes. Okay, 100 questions are there for only 90 minutes. Means what we can say, each question carries only less than 60 seconds. Okay, so now in this examination you are having part A, part B and part C. Part A is there, part B is there, part C is there, and part D is also there. So part A is general knowledge and current affairs, 50 marks will be given. Similarly, in reasoning 25 bits will be given. In numerical ability, right, in numerical ability, that is quantitative aptitude or arithmetic, in numerical ability 15 bits will be given, and computer fundamentals, in computer fundamentals, so 10 questions will be given. So total bits are 100 bits, but the maximum marks are also 100, but unfortunately the time is for how many minutes here, only 90 minutes. Means each question obviously carries less than 60 seconds only, and unfortunately you are having a negative marking here, right? So negative marking is there, so 1/4 of the negative marking given, means 0.25 marks, 0.25 marks will be deducted if you put the wrong answer. Okay, 1/4 of the negative marking given, and qualifying also given. So in the paper 35 marks for general candidates, 35 marks has to come for SC, ST, OBC and EWS, even ex-servicemen. not for ex-servicemen. For all these aspirants, 30 marks has to come to get qualified, and for exclusively ex-servicemen, 25 marks has to get to qualify for next level. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is regarding qualifying in nature. This is qualifying examination. And when comes to physical events, so physical events are only qualifying in nature. No weightage will be given for physical events. Okay, so this examination will be conducted by exclusively Staff Selection Commission, but these events will be conducted by Delhi Police Department itself. Okay, and when comes to this written examination, this examination will be held in the month of November, 27th November 2020 to 14th December 2020, tentatively in different shifts. This exam is going to conducted, and obviously anyhow normalization process is also there. You need not to worry about that. Okay, so that is regarding examination. If no situation, if the corona will control and everything is fine, then there is no change in the examination dates. Probably now we are in August month, so August, September and October, so maximum you are having 3.5 months time. So 3.5 months time is very good time if you are really focusing on this notification. So without wasting time, you can practice seriously. And when it comes to written examination syllabus, I already given, right? So GK, current affairs, reasoning, numerical ability and computers. So now when it comes to events are exclusively conducted by Delhi Police Department itself. Okay, and if you qualified, if you are getting these scores, these many scores, then 12 times of the total vacancies, they called for events. Okay, for one post 12, approximately for one post 12 aspirants, approximately for one post 12 aspirants are called for physical events. So these events are 3 events are there. One is 1600 meters are there, 1600 meters, that is 1.6 kilometers, and long jump is there, and high jump is also there. Long jump as well as high jump is also there. Okay, so then for example, there are 3 different categories given. For example, below 30 years, right? So below 30 years and below 40 years, and above 40 years, like that he mentioned, above 40 years. Okay, above 40 years. And for male and for female, different categories, different timings also given. So there is no merit for physical examination. Physical examination is purely qualifying in nature. Okay, so once if you want this information, I will give. Okay, so I have a information regarding this also. For male candidates, for male or female, whoever, first they have to clear 1600 meters. If they clear 1600 meters, then only they are eligible for long jump and high jump. And for this long jump and high jump, 3 exemptions will be given. In the 3 trials, you have to get qualified. Okay, so in 1600 meters, for male, in 6 minutes they have to clear, and in high jump, in long jump 14 feet and high jump 3 feet 9 inches. For example, if your age is above 30 years in the sense below 40 years, 30 to 40 years, then you have to clear 1600 meters in 7 minutes, and long jump is 13 feet and high jump is 3 feet 6 inches. Similarly, if your age is above 40 years, you have to clear 1600 meters in 8 minutes, and long jump is for 12 feet and high jump is for 3 feet 3 inches. And the height, the general height for the aspirant for male candidate is 170 centimeters. And some exemption given for SC ST also. If you refer the notification, you will come to know very clearly. And when it comes to female aspirants, so the female candidate also first they have to clear 1600 meters in 8 minutes time. Okay, who are having age is below 30 years, and 10 feet height is there for long jump, and 3 feet height is there for high jump. Similarly, for above 30, in the sense below 40 years, 9 minutes given, and 9 feet given, and 2 feet what we can say 9 inches given, 2 feet 9 inches. And similarly, when it comes to above 40 years, they have to clear this 1600 meters in 10 seconds, 10 minutes, and the long jump height is 8 feet, and high jump is 2 feet 6 inches. And the normal height for all the girls is 157 centimeters, and apart from that you people are having exemption based on your category also. So that's why, so it's a very good notification. And when it comes to examination, so to clear the examination, obviously reasoning and numerical ability is going to play a key role. Anyhow, general knowledge and current affairs, it's the ocean. Okay, even though you focus on that, definitely it is highly impossible to get the full score. Okay, but if you are focusing on reasoning and numerical ability, okay, if you try little bit, definitely you can able to score 40 out of 40 also. Okay, so in the next video, what I do is I'll make a separate video for preparation strategy, because my core subject is reasoning and numerical ability. In the next video, I'll give you the preparation strategy in numerical ability and logical reasoning for this exclusive notification. Regarding this, any other information if you have, please just come to me with the comment box. And thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this and please encourage me, and please do subscribe Ramanujan Academy Maths Planet YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.